Hello everyone, it's Mr. Scott here. I'd like to tell you about expectation. So, what is expectation? Well, another name for it is expected frequency, and frequency is how many times something happens. So the expected frequency is the number of trials, how many times you carry out the experiment, times by the probability of the event. Let's have a look at an example. So the probability that I wake up late is 0.4. How many times would you expect me to wake up late during 1 week at school? That's 5 days. Well, my expected frequency is equal to the number of trials times by the probability, and that is 5 trials times 0.4. Well, 5 times 4 is 20, so 5 times 0.4 is 2. You'd expect me to wake up late twice during the week. Why don't you have a go at your turn, pause the video, and then get back to me. Right, so my expected frequency or expectation is equal to the number of trials times by the probability, that's P bracket late, using that notation we learned before. So that's 5 times 0.2. 5 times 2 is 10, so 5 times 0.2 is 1. Or you could notice that as the probability is half the previous time, then the answer is also half the previous. What's my summary? Well, that expected frequency is number of trials times by probability, and I'm also going to notice that the more trials you perform, the closer the outcome will be to the expected frequency. So in the questions above, we did 5 trials, 5 days. That's not very many, and so it wouldn't be at all surprising if we got a number of times of being late of 4 or 0, quite well away from our expectation. If we did it for a whole year, then we should be fairly close. Right, have a go at the questions on MathsWatch or on the PowerPoint and let me know how you get on. Bye.